Guys, welcome back to The Long Dark with Christian Gamer Jolie. As you can see, we're in a blizzard right now. We're walking around trying to survive. Sorry, you guys did miss me track and hunt my first deer, thanks to Miniature Moose. He gave me the tip on what I need to do: crouch down and get down low, and then when you're up close enough, take your shot. And I went mid-deck, and sure enough, one shot, the deer went down. So I got all the deer meat. We're trying to get back to Jeremiah. But it's cold and I can't see anything. Yes, we're in a private team speak. All right, let's see, where can I go? So Lee, I hope you enjoyed this episode. This should be another harrowing episode for you, just like the Forlorn Muskeg. Except this one, I'm not sure if we're going to make it out alive. We are going to do our best, though. You getting cold over there, Miniature Moose? Alright, so do we want to take the over and under on if Christian Gamer Jolie is going to survive this blizzard? Go ahead and put in comments what you think. I expect everybody to be positive and think that he's going to survive, though. No. Give me your honest thought. Oh, that's, you know, that's better than what I thought you were going to give me, so. Oh, great. And flares out. And just a little bit of fuel left in my lantern. Anybody got some Mylanta? I'm starting to feel a little stomach pain.
Mylanta.
Oh, and that music is not good. Whenever you hear the music, things are starting to get dire. Although I would have thought I've heard the music by a long time ago by now. Oh, Mylanta, don't you cry for me, for I'm stuck in a blizzard, and all I have left is matches. And it looks like I'm nowhere near any kind of cave or anything. Oh, look, there's the railroad tracks. Alright, that's promising. Railroad tracks mean just follow that straight on, and I'm going to either get to the dam or I'm going to get to the fallen railroad. One of the two is either way. I don't care. That will help. Wow, I've really turned myself around in the dark there. Alright, so we're close. Oh boy, we lost the okay, there's the tracks. Yeah. This isn't looking good. Alrighty. I think we're going to be coming up on the dam. At least I hope. What do you think, Miniature Moose? Think I'm going the right way?
I can't see anything.
I can see the tracks, and that's the most important part.
It's really hard to tell. I see a ton of snow and then black. You can't sleep in this game, right?
Yeah, as soon as I get to a place I can sleep. But I gotta get out of this blizzard because I will not survive.
Yeah, I can't.
Come on, you gotta give me credit for finding back to the railroad tracks and actually sticking with them. I've actually done this before in sandbox mode and survived. I've actually gotten back to the camp office doing this. But each time I'm like, how in the world did I do it? In fact, I think if I turned right now, I might be at the camp office. Nope, that's not the camp office. My bad. Alrighty. Here's a quarter, because you're not going to make it out alive. It is getting cold out there, folks. And as every moment passes, I don't think I'm going to make it. But we'll see. We shall see. That's the nice thing about the railroad tracks here is if you follow it north or south and don't lose it, you're going to end up at something. The only problem is if you head south. Oh boy, it just spun me. Which means, okay, there's the railroad tracks. So when you turn, do a 360. The railroad tracks should be right here. Yeah, they're there. Woo! I think I just got... Okay, good. We're coming up on the train wreck, which means we're over on the dam side. So that's good. We can get back to safety here. Unfortunately, there won't be anything here that we can use. So we still got a long way to go. This is the derailment. Oh, okay. The derailment, which means... Actually, I'm not where I thought we were. We're really close to the camp office. We need to go back and go... because we can't sleep in here. The only thing we could do, possibly. Oh, I thought there was a burn barrel. Wasn't there a burn barrel in derailment? Venture Moose? I guess not. Okay.
Oh.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back out because if you go to the left side now, we go up 2 rocks up to the left up here. It will take us right back to the camp office. Alright, I want comments, what you guys think if I can actually do this or not. The only problem I don't remember is, I don't remember the derailment. You losing the... Do you remember that, Greg?
What's that?
From the derailment, which is where the wolves are, and where you possibly could potentially get a rifle in the sandbox. Do you remember you losing the railroad tracks there? Oh,
you talk. There's the train cart that's not.
Yeah, and you have to go up the log to get inside. But I didn't remember actually losing. Oh man, it's getting worse out here.
I don't think you lose the tracks.
I don't think so.
Daylights. That's a great question. I don't think so though.
Because I can't sleep in there. However, this looks down. All right, my gut tells me I should go this way. So we're gonna stick with it. Because there's the rocks you can pick up from the rabbits. So I think this is right. I'm just gonna go with it and hope this is right. So it's not this one, it's right past here. Come on. Should be up over this ridge. Thanks for believing in me. I hope everybody else on YouTube's believing in me. This is looking good. Yeah. Anybody want a Blizzard? You know, I like mine from Dairy Queen. I don't like these type. Uh-oh, I'm almost dead.
How do you know?
I hear my heartbeat, and if you look over on the left side, my health is almost gone. I don't think I can make it, guys. I'm not long for this world. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it.
Yeah, I can't hear you. If I listen to the sound,
Alright,
I hear it.
here we go. We're gonna do one thing that we can do. Health. This is our last chance.
Maybe going to your last save game is a better idea.
Well, yes, I agree with you there, but I use my injection. Oh, that just made everything 10 times worse.
Use your injection? Yeah, emergency stim.
I use my emergency stim.
Stick it in.
I have nothing to eat. except for all meat. Which honestly at this point is probably better than nothing, but...
Eat the emergency stim.
Alright, we got some health back.
There you go.
Not much. Alright, I wasn't where I thought I was. Which is not good. But if I can just... If I can survive this... Where am I? That's the problem. How did I get up here?
Is that a mountain?
How did I get up here?
That's not good.
No, this nighttime thing is like messing with my vision.
It does that for some people.
Totally in the daytime, I probably could have done this.
Disappearing.
Yeah, I know your energy's disappearing, buddy. You just gotta give me a little bit more. You gotta do it. Alright. Come on. If I could just find shelter, I have fire. Problem is I have no food. Come on. Oh boy. I wish I had something to eat. Wait a minute. You see that? Oh, no way, Mitch Roos. Look at that. Look at that.
What is it?
Come on, you gotta give me credit. You gotta give me props. Check it out. We made it home.
Wow.
I have no food, but I made it home. I'm gonna die inside. But at least I'll be warm.
Damn.
I still can't see it. You can see it.
Hang on.
I'm impressed you can see anything.
There. Now can you see?
Yeah.
We're inside, but we have no food, so we're gonna die really quickly. But we'll be warm when we die.
You can lay down on the couch. Wow. Nicely done, sir.
Thank you. Oh boy. Anything to eat? I have a bunch of raw meat. Is it worth getting sick, do you think? What do you think?
I would do it. You're gonna die.
I'm gonna die, so...
Do it.
I wonder if it's gonna, like, kill me instantly. Because I have no health. Might as well. Actually, there's a percentage, so there's a chance you might not get sick off of it.
Try it.
I just did, and I didn't get sick.
Oh, I missed it. Do it again.
Well, two of them. I've got enough food. There's no reason to do it now. Are you kidding me? I can't even believe I didn't get sick off of that.
I think it's just a percentage.
It's a percentage chance. It's a roll.
Yeah.
And I took the right roll. When you're in that situation where it's life or death, it's worth taking it. Yep. Because that's going to get us to survive. Wow. I'm actually speechless that I actually made it. Okay, let's get a fire going. Alright, over under if I'm going to make it, 90% chance I should make this.
You got it.
Come on, burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Alright, come on, catch. And then what we'll do in the morning is we'll head back to Jeremiah as soon as we have actually survived. I'm going to cook a piece of meat, which means I'm going to lose a little bit of the weight that I would use to survive, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Yo.
I mean, it'd be great to have it all, but you know what? If I can't get there, it doesn't do me any good. Alright, so we add fuel, so that gives us 29 minutes, 48 minutes, 1 hour, and that should be good enough. Alright, let's go ahead and, what do you think? 2 pieces, Menchimers?
2.
I think 2. That'll still give us, like, I think 10 pounds of meat. So, that'll at least give me some food in my belly. Alright, now let's check our water supply. We gotta be almost out of water. Yeah. Well, half.
I can't believe you're alive right now.
I can't either. I didn't even use a stim here personally, but my heart was actually pounding. I was like, am I actually going to survive? So, Lee, I hope you enjoyed the heroism, and we actually did survive that.
It was all me.
It was. You were controlling it from over there. I wasn't moving the mouse at all. I wasn't conserving my energy and my skills of navigating in the dark.
I'm still thinking about blizzards.
Kitty cat. All right, there we go, guys. In the comments, put what your favorite blizzard is. Since we just dealt going through a blizzard.
Reese's Pieces.
Well, you gotta put in the comments of the video when the video is dropped, which will be dropped on Monday. So on Monday, you guys can put in your comments on YouTube on what your favorite blizzard is. Because anybody watching it live now, congratulations, you guys see it early. Alright, so let's go ahead and rest now. We'll rest 8 hours because I'm sure we're in the middle of the night right now. We're using 600 calories, so we'll have 51 calories left, which is plenty enough to get us back to Jeremiah, hopefully. And this is in honor of Miniature Moose. For everybody else, this has been sponsored to you by Pivot Extra. I expect Coke to give me my royalties. I'll accept your check on Monday in the bank. That'd be greatly appreciated. Alright. I'm only having one tonight, though. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I might be pulling an all-nighter, so. I got a lot of recording to do to get ready for tomorrow. Alright, so we are alive. Still cannot believe it, folks. I cannot believe that we are actually still alive, but we are alive. Let's go back to Jeremiah's house. Oh my goodness, not in that fog. I like a risk, but I would like to see where I'm going. Can somebody go out there with a flamethrower and just burn off the fog for me? A little foggy. Hey, is that a... Oh, I thought I left a coffee can in there or something. I was gonna say, wow. All right, let's let it burn off for 2 hours. That should which will now make us. All right, sounds good, Zachariah. See you in a little bit. All right, so my hypothermia is healed. Look at that. Can you believe that? I actually healed that hypothermia I had too. I think it was like at 80%.
Nicely done.
Thank you. That is the quickest way to get rid of hypothermia is get a fire going and go to sleep with it still burning, because then you get like 2 hours of sleep with extra heat, and it like it jumps your still foggy
I
out
could
there.
use a drink.
That way it jumps up your bonuses and you can get rid of it a little bit faster. As long as you don't get hypothermia and you're still only at a risk though, it only raises a percentage and then it's easier to get rid of. But once you get hypothermia, I think you have to sleep for I don't know. I think it's 24 hours indoors or it's 12 hours indoors. I can't quite remember. I'm going to sleep for another 2. Oh. Forgot to take a drink of water. That's going to hurt us a little bit, but that's alright. No problem. Alright. Let's take a drink of water. I feel like we should eat something, but you know what? I'm going to... Well, hang on. Let's look at our health. Wise. We're at 49%. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and... Where did my cooked meat go? Hang on, guys. There it is. Let's go ahead and eat the cooked one. Make sure it says cooked, which it does. I'm only at 40% health, so I'm not going to risk. I'm not sleeping because I've already wasted too much time. So we're just going to go if the fog is gone. Let's see. Alright, that's I can deal with that. The fog's going to be burning off. Because we've already slept, we've already wasted 4 hours of time. It's a long time. Although, you know, I live in Chicago, and there's been times where there's been fog, like when I lived at 6 a.m., and the fog, it doesn't dissipate until about 12 o'clock at lunchtime. So, it's possible to have a 6-hour fog. especially if you're in the middle of Canada, in the middle of tundra. Tundra. Huh, that's a funny word. Alright, here we go, guys. See, there's those lovely railroad tracks that saved our life. If they are not your friend, they should be, and they can, as you just saw, they can save your life. So there you go. That's my slogan. A railroad track can save a life today. All right. So, Miniature Boost, what I was saying, you'll notice this is the only way I know how to get there. I cannot get there from any other direction. It's
To get where?
Back to the trapper's cabin.
That's the only way I know how to get back to.
I can't get there from the damn side up, which is unfortunate because I really need to. Is that a wolf coming up ahead of me? I see something. Let's just get out our rifle just in case. Right up there, I thought I saw something moving.
That's a tree.
Oh, those trees jump out of nowhere. Alright, here we go. We'll keep going. Move my camera a little bit there for you guys. Alright. Well, that's definitely one thing about the stream here. See, in my video, normally, you guys, I would cut out a lot of the traveling for you, but in a live stream, you can't cut out travel, so what you see is what you get. Alright, and as you know, I just love picking up sticks. Probably because of the game Pick Up Sticks when I was a kid. Actually, I hated that game, so. And Lee, you are right, I am known as the Cat King. To the point of, I went back because I was out of food for this episode, and I went around looking for cattails, and I could not find a single cattail at Mystery Lake. Unless they've taken them all. Recently, at least. So. Alright, we're heading back to Jeremiah's. I think after we get back from Jeremiah, or actually, once we get there, we might end the stream there. I'm not sure yet. You guys want to put in live comments what you think? Let me know. Give me a little how do you do, a little shout out. That would be great. Because Jeremiah said he won't tell me any more information until I can prove I can shoot a deer. But I think, here, let me look. I think I need 22 pounds. So I'm going to have to shoot another deer. Because I think the deer that we shot was 18-pounder. But we just ate 2 pounds of meat. So we're down to 16 pounds. And he wants 22. So we got to easily shoot one more deer. So, oh dear. Alright, but I think we're well on our way. I mean, I think, you know, all in all, I think this will make it a very successful episode for us. We survived a blizzard that, honestly, guys, I didn't think I was going to survive. And then unfortunately, you guys didn't get to see the deer I took down. But we took down a deer, so there's that too. And I'm walking, you know, yes, indeed, and I'm walking to you and me. Alright. Brownie points if you know the song. I might not have said it exactly the way it's supposed to be. So that will make it even harder. I will give you a hint. It's a 40s, 50s song. I'll give you another hint. He was a child of a sitcom. That was a family. No, that was a family that was on TV. And he was one of the boys. He went on to become a rock and roll legend.
Jim Carrey.
Yeah, no. Not Jim Carrey. Speaking of Jim Carrey, while we're just traveling, let's talk about Jim Carrey. Anybody have any thoughts about Jim Carrey? No. My question is, what's he doing with himself lately? I haven't seen him make any movies lately.
He's getting old.
Well, aren't we all getting old? I know Christian Gamer Jolie's getting old, but his beard's getting longer. And he's getting hungry. And the kicker is, do I give all of his meat back to Jeremiah? And I can't really do that because I don't have any food. So I'm going to have to keep a couple pounds. But that's okay because I have to shoot at least 2 more deer. Or I have to shoot another deer. So let's say I have 16 pounds of food with me. Another deer, let's say, is going to be another 16 pounds. He wants 22 pounds. So I'm guessing, not doing the correct math, just throwing it in my head, I could probably keep 4 pounds. And after killing 2 deer, I should be close to 22 pounds. I'm guessing. I don't know. We'll have to see if I'm right or wrong. Alright, so you're back to Jeremiah. Oh, Jeremiah. How we have not missed you. Or maybe we have. Oh, and guys, I have taken over Jeremiah's house, by the way. Alright, so let's just get rid of this flare. Put it in there. Oh, that was interesting. It wouldn't let me throw away the flare. Or it just threw away the flare, but said it was empty. Alright, so there's 2 pounds. There's another 2 pounds. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. Okay, so I got 2 pounds for myself. Alright, let's see. So that's going to be roughly, what are we looking at? 4, 5, 7, 9, something like 12 pounds. So we got a long way to go. But we're back, so we survived. Alright, so as you can see, yeah, guys, I took over his house. Hi, Jeremiah, I'm home. Let's save some flares since I used all my flares. So yeah, there's all the stuff. There he is. There's Jeremiah. Oh, you can't even name him. So there you go. There's my answer to that. I was just curious with the NPCs, what would happen, like especially Old Mother, who tried to shoot you in the first episode. Sorry, by now, if you're watching this video, you should have already known that. So, spoiler alert of late if you're skipping videos, which I don't know why you would. But I thought maybe if you tried to shoot at her, would she shoot back at you, actually? But you can't even aim at him, so they took that option out, which is good. Alright, so let's cook up some meat. Alright, so gaming venison. We'll cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. And we'll cook up these reishi mushrooms. That will give us some little cup of tea there. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's my cup of tea. And then we'll have 2 pieces of meat. So let me eat some meat because we're starving. Alright. There's not much we can do. I don't think we can gain any trust from him. Something on your mind? I don't know. Let's see. Can I give him any items? I can give him a piece of cloth. Oh yeah, I was going to give him the old... and then... Do I give him this fresh deer hide? I can make boots now, but I still need to gain his trust. And this is going to... If I give him this, this should get us to almost having all our trust. So let's just go ahead and do it, confirm. Alright, we just gained 53 more trust. That's pretty big on our part of trust with him, so let's see here. Alright, so now if I look at the trust with Jeremiah, what do we have? Everything but the last thing. So we just learned about the Aurora observations, and see now we only need 25 more, and we've gained all our trust that we can get with him, which is a side mission. Is his old letters. He wants you to destroy old letters. So alright, let's see if we can talk to him really quickly about the Aurora. Lights? Did you see the lights in the sky again? You could hardly sleep, it was so bright. There's something different about them, not like the usual Aurora Borealis. The lights, the Aurora, it seemed to power things up mainly. You sure? I didn't see anything like that. You have electricity here? Oh, I've already read this before, actually. Nope, I'm off the grid for that reason. What is the reason? None of your business. The wolves seem scared of light. Scared of the aurora? No lights like lights around the buildings. They avoid lights. You sure you've been in the morphine pilot? Hey. Never mind. Only in the Piv Extra is all he drinks. Alright. So, I guess we're back here. So, that's good. Let's go out and come back in just so we can save it. That's the quickest way to save. Alright, so I think, yeah, we're going to end this episode here. I will be doing some more streaming tonight. And like I said, anybody who's going to see this video after the fact of the live stream will be able to see this on Monday. So thank you so much for coming out. I want to thank the streamers. I want to thank the YouTubers who will be watching this video. Like, comment, tweet, donate, share, spread the word about our channel. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button. That'll let you know when I drop more videos. I am Christian Gamer Jolie. As always, thank you for enjoying my adventure. Now go have an adventure of your own. Take care of it, guys. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye.